Today, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your password and log back into your YOUCANIC scanner if you've ever been logged out. Typically, your scanner will remember your password if you are ever logged out, or if you ever intentionally log out. But there will be some cases where you will be logged out and your scanner won't remember your password. The first thing you're going to do is go to My Account, and you can select this Sign In button at the bottom or the My Account option at the top of the screen. And as you can see, my scanner has remembered my password. For the sake of this demonstration, though, I'm going to pretend that my scanner has forgotten my password and I also have forgotten my password. So you're going to go to Forget Password. And now here, you're going to add your email address. And then select Send Code. Now, if you've also forgotten the email address that you used when you first registered your scanner, you can go down here to the Forget Email or ID button. And you're going to want to enter the serial number found on the back of your scanner. Typically, it starts with OCAN and can be found underneath of that white barcode. Once you've entered the serial number, you can hit this Find button, and the email address that you used to register your scanner will appear below. With that email address, you can go back to the Forget Password option, enter your email, and then request a verification code. Check your email once you have this pop up for a 4-digit verification code from YOUCANIC. Once you found that verification code, you can go ahead and enter it in the verification code box and enter your new password. Select Reset Password, and you're good to go. Now you can go back to the login page and enter your new password. And there you go. You've successfully reset your password and logged back into your YOUCANIC scanner account. If you run into any issues during this process, feel free to email us at support@youcanic.com. We are always happy to help.